Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and I'm going to show you today how to pop the trunk. So that's that, fifth door there, right in the back. I'll help you show you how to open it. So you don't actually need the vehicle on for this. We'll turn it off. But you're going to make sure you have all of these unlocked. Usually 2 or 3 presses to make sure all the doors are unlocked. You can also do this from your door. It's locked or unlocked. Typically that door press on this one just takes 1, whereas on your key takes 2 to 3, and that should make sure it's unlocked. So we'll go back to the back now, and it's got a hydraulic, so you don't have to actually pull all the way, you just have to get it started. See how it's not falling back? It's just kind of opening by itself. It's because of these here, but want it all the way up. And then assuming these are pressurized properly on each side, it should stay by itself. Obviously double check that so you don't get bumped in the head if this starts coming down. And if you have some other issues where the car is unlocked and this lever that we started with isn't opening it, maybe you have something like a dirty latch here, or maybe something's broken inside this mechanism, or maybe dirty on this end. So you want to make sure this is all cleaned as best as you can once you get it popped open. Greased, there's a little bit of grease dirt in here because it's not supposed to be super tight. And then otherwise, there should be a release latch from the inside here. Hard to film it since it's getting dark where I'm at, but you might potentially have to pull apart some of this, which I would advise maybe having a mechanic do for you if this latch is broken in some way with your unlocks not working properly. Better to have somebody who knows what they're doing do it than break something more yourself if you're not sure what's going on. But anyways, I hope that was helpful and hope you have a great day.